Welcome to my YouTube channel on my talk series, Online with Javita Naran. Today I'm bringing to you a unique and inspirational story of Dr. Matthew McVarish, who is a Scottish actor, activist, writer, and a survivor of childhood sexual abuse. We are going to talk about childhood sexual abuse today through the eyes and journey of a survivor who has experienced childhood sexual abuse in his life and has dealt with it. And today, as an activist, he is internationally working on raising awareness and trying to bring about changes on the issue, legislations, policies around the world. We understand that it is a difficult topic to talk about. It's not easy. Child sexual abuse is usually shrouded in shame and secrecy. People don't want to talk about it, but we also realize at the same time that there may be many survivors out there who may benefit from listening to another survivor who has dealt with it in his own life and has done something about it, not only for himself in his healing and recovery journey, but also to make changes out there in the world. You may find certain aspects of the interview, of the talk, a little disturbing, upsetting, emotional, because he's sharing his story and experiences associated with childhood sexual abuse. But it's also inspiring at the end because of what he's done with it and how he's moved on with it. So we encourage you to watch the interview, but at the same time, caution you to watch it at your own pace. If you feel uncomfortable, you can stop it and come back to it later or not listen to it, depending on how you feel after listening to the interview. At the same time, if you, after watching it or while watching it, if you feel that you need help with regards to any of the issues that are being discussed here, or if it raises any memories for you, in the description box, we've provided links to websites where you can seek help in the country wherever you are, or please feel free to contact me via the email or the comment section if you need help, or if you want to share any feedback, and we'll try and connect you with the right resource or help in the country where you are. So please watch the interview, see how you feel about it, and share your views with us. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.